In this video, I'll explain what Advantage Plus Audience and Original Audience mean in meta ads, and which one you should use for different types of campaigns. When you create an ad set in meta ads, you'll often see two audience options: Advantage Plus Audience selected by default, and Further Limit the Reach of your ad as an option, which is also known as Original Audience Targeting. Let's understand both, one by one. Advantage Plus Audience allows Meta to automatically expand your targeting beyond the interests, age, or behaviors you select. Meta uses user behavior, past ad engagement, purchase intent, machine learning, and AI to show your ads to people most likely to convert, even if they don't exactly match your selected interests. In simple terms, you give Meta a direction, and Meta decides who else might be a good match. Advantage Plus Audience works best when your ad account already has conversion data, you are running sales or lead campaigns, your budget is medium to high, you want Meta to scale results, your product or service is not very niche. Examples: e-commerce purchase campaigns, lead generation campaigns, call campaigns, Advantage Plus shopping or catalog ads. For performance-based campaigns, Advantage Plus often gives better cost per result. Further Limit means Meta will only show your ads to the audience you manually define. You control location, age, gender, interests, demographics, custom audiences. Meta will not expand beyond your targeting, even if it thinks someone else may convert. This is also called Original Audience Targeting. Original Audience works best when you have a new ad account, you are running awareness or video view campaigns, you want full control over targeting, your service is location-specific or niche, you are testing a new market or offer. Examples: video view campaigns, brand awareness campaigns, education or training ads, political or sensitive messaging, local service promotions. For these campaigns, Advantage Plus may show your ad to irrelevant users, so Original Audience gives better control. Use Advantage Plus Audience when goal is leads or sales. You want Meta to optimize performance. You have enough data. Use Further Limit or Original Audience when goal is awareness or education. You want strict targeting. Your account or campaign is new. There is no single best option for all campaigns. The best approach is start with Original Audience for testing and awareness, switch to Advantage Plus for scaling leads and sales. Test both, analyze results, and let data guide your decision. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and follow Digital Growth Tutor for more practical meta ads tutorials.